Hi, I'm Lucy from Sew Essential, and today I'm sharing the 3 best sewing machines of 2025, whether you're looking for an entry-level budget model, a mid-range model, or you're looking for something extra special. Plus, I've got a little bonus at the end of a newcomer to the market, which I want to share with you too. If you need to keep your spending to a minimum, but you want a good all-round reliable machine that will cover all the basics well and give you the opportunity to grow your sewing skills, I would highly recommend the Brother Innov-is 15. It's just recently had a new permanent price reduction, so it currently retails at just £299, and for that you are getting a great all-rounder machine. It will do all the basics. It has a very simple stitch selection. It has a sliding speed control, which is particularly useful if you're new to sewing or if you're experienced but you're doing something tricky and want to take it easy. It's got the needle up down button, which is really useful for things like pivoting round corners and checking your work. It also has the option for a reinforcement stitch, which just sews a few stitches on the spot to secure your seam. Or you can do the reverse stitch, which will sew backwards and then forwards to secure your seam. Plus, it has a wide range of feet and accessories, all available on our website to purchase separately, so that as your skills and your sewing develops, you can grow those skills even further. If you want to take a closer look at this machine, check out the link below where you can view an in-depth review video on our website and purchase it there. If you're looking for more of a mid-range machine, so you're happy to step your budget up a bit so that you get some more advanced features and a wider selection of feet and accessories included with the machine, I would highly recommend the Janome 5060 QDC, which is one of our best ever selling sewing machines. It does everything the Brother Innov-is 15 does, but it also has that scissor-snips button, which people absolutely love. You simply touch the button and it snips your threads for you. It also has 60 stitches rather than 15, and these aren't all decorative stitches. There are additional utility stitches there too, so things that we would use in garment construction. For example, additional options for buttonholes. It also comes with an extension table, which is great for extending your workspace if you're working on a big project like a coat or a quilt or curtains perhaps. And then it comes with all the feet you would expect, plus a bonus pack of feet, which includes a walking foot, which normally retails at £57 to £60. And a walking foot is a great thing to have in your sewing toolkit because it helps feed the fabric through evenly. So if you're working with multiple layers of fabric on a quilt, for example, or you're dressmaking and you're working with a tricky fabric, a slippery fabric where the layers want to run away from one another, a walking foot grips the fabric from the top and the bottom so that those layers don't run away from each other, and it is just so useful to have. You also get a 1/4 inch foot included, which is great for patchwork and quilting, but also incredibly useful when you're dressmaking, you're working with little thin strips of fabric, bias binding and things like that, for example, or thin straps. And then it also has free motion feet included as well, so if you're looking to do free motion embroidery, you've got everything included with this machine to get you started. If you'd like to watch a full in-depth review of the Janome 5060 QDC, just check out the link in the description. There's a full review video on our website and you can also purchase it there. And then if you're happy to stretch your budget to get a bigger machine with a lot of advanced features and a really exceptional range of feet and accessories included, I would recommend the Janome Atelier 7, which is another hugely popular machine with our customers. The Atelier 7 has a long arm, so it's got a space of 210 millimetres under the arm as opposed to about 170 on a standard sewing machine. And this just means working on those bigger projects where you've got lots of fabric to handle is so much easier. It also has the AccuFeed walking foot system, so this is even more superior to the one we talked about with the 5060. The AccuFeed actually links into the machine so that the feet on the foot and the feet on the machine synchronise and work together, and it gives you an even more superior feed of the fabric than a standard walking foot does. It's got a lovely big screen which makes everything super visible and easy to understand. You see the stitches displayed in the real size that they are going to be stitched out onto your fabric, and you also get an image of the foot that you need to use, so it just makes it really, really easy to find the right feet. It has automatic foot lift, so when you stop sewing, the foot lifts automatically and you can move your fabric and pivot your fabric. And it also has automatic thread tension as well, so the machine sets the tension for you based on the stitch that you've selected. It comes with a whopping 15 feet included. It has that fantastic scissor-snips button that we talked about. It has the ability to taper, elongate and mirror stitches, and there are so many different options within those menus. So with the tapering, for example, you've got choices of the angles that you want to taper to and which side you want to taper. You know, there are so many options to get creative there and make your stitches fit your project perfectly. It also includes 7 different alphabets, and it's got an easy change needle plate, so you just press a button and the needle plate pops up, making it super easy to swap the standard needle plate for the straight stitch needle plate, which is also included with the machine and is great for when you're working with very delicate fabrics. If you'd like to learn more and see a really in-depth video of all these gorgeous features demonstrated, check out the link in the description and you can watch our in-depth review video and purchase the machine on our website there. Now, I also promised to share details of a newcomer to the market this year, which I'm really excited about, which is the Husqvarna Onyx 30 sewing machine, which sits price-wise between the Brother Innov-is 15 and the Janome 5060 QDC, but it is just excellent value for money and packed full of features that we wouldn't normally see at that price point. It has the scissor-snips button, it has over 150 stitches, including 2 different alphabets. It's got super easy stitch selection, options that normally are hidden away in the settings directly accessible on the control panel on the machine, and also the ability to elongate, mirror and sequence decorative stitches too. So if you'd like to take a closer look at that machine, again, you can find the link in the description, view it on our website and purchase it there. And if you've got any questions about any of these machines or you're struggling to make your decision, don't hesitate to get in contact with us. That is exactly what we're here for, and we can very quickly and easily help you navigate that overwhelming range of machines to choose from these days so that you find the perfect machine for you at the right budget. All of our machines come with a full manufacturer's warranty, so in the unlikely event that you have a problem, don't hesitate to contact us. More often than not, we can solve any issues over the phone, but if that's not the case, we'll collect the machine and do everything for you. We offer the best prices on our machines, but if you do see one cheaper anywhere else, please do get in touch with us and we will be very happy to help. And your machine will be delivered the next working day, free of charge, by courier with a dedicated time slot, so you know exactly when that happy post is going to arrive. I hope you're feeling excited about your new machine, and thanks for watching.